What's up guys, Razor Affiliate here, welcome to new video on my channel. Today I recording Keydrop. Don't forget to like and comment this video and turn on notifications for more content. Okay, if you're looking for best promo code on Keydrop, let's use my promo code Razor Affiliate. You just need to connect your Steam account, click add fonts in top right corner. In a promo code box, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply for 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents. On left side you can find payment methods. You can pay by skins, Visa card, MasterCard, crypto, gift cards and more. Also you can click on promotional code in top left corner and you can enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click collect. If you're looking for free gold on Keydrop, just click free gold section, scroll down and you can find steps how to claim it. Easy steps guys. You can follow Keydrop on Instagram and you can claim 18 golds. You can follow Keydrop on Twitter for 12 gold. Alright, I got 1.8k on balance, so I will try with case battles today. I will try to make huge profit. Okay, I'll start with my own case battles. This one case battle $120. 5 nomination cases, 5 team cases and 5 YouTuber cases. Let's see. Nobody joined guys, I'll try with both this one case battle. And let's see, wish me luck. First 5 cases nomination. We need one good hit here. Okay, first one is Galok. This one is so bad. So bad one. Alright, 3 more cases left. This one Desert Eagle, same. Man, please, we need one good hit. One good hit. Alright, nomination cases only $1, but so bad drops. Let's try with team cases now. 5 of them. Come on, man. One good hit and GG. Alright, I got $30 M4. Coalition M4, really man, really. That's so bad. This one case battle is GG probably. Alright, AK $40. Alright, comeback is real guys. Comeback is real. Drop 1 AVP now maybe, or 1 knife. 1 huntsman knife lure. Yellow knife, like yellow mask, please man. $61, he got 65. Okay, this one so bad. $3 lead, only 4 more cases left. Man. 3 more, please. Only one good hit, only one good hit. Alright, this one AK, not bad. Just keep, plus 1 case. I laid $10. Please, dude. Last one. Alright, that's not bad. Okay, I'll try with upgrade. 2x. How many skins? There are 15 skins. Okay, 15 skins. I'll try 2x here. I'll try with marble fade gloves. Wish me luck. And I got it. Alright, $281. Let's try with contracts now. Low price skins only on contracts. Let's try hit something good, $4 only. And I got this one, Mach 10, okay. Guys, on Keydrop you can join on giveaways, events, tournaments. You can join also on free case battles. You just need to find green icon free and just click join the battle. I'll join this one, $153 with YouTuber. Wish me luck here. Some cases, 5 of them. That's bad start, 4 more left. Only red skins in this one case. We need 1 red knife maybe. 1 slaughter. Oh my god, man. Really? Last one is Samu case. No way, man. Last one case. Cobra case. Cobra case. Alright. Alright, I win. I win. $277. Oh, that's nice, guys. One more upgrade, guys. I will try with this one. AK 2X. One more Wildfire AVP. Looks good. That's nice hit, man. That's nice 2X hit. Right, I'll try with this one. Case battle, $150. 4 run-on cases and 5 poker cases. Why any one player? Come on, man, join. Nobody joined it. Let's try with both this one. 9 cases. Let's try my luck. Alright, Prince Stream the Eagle, $54. Holy shit, man. That's nice hit. Can you drop one more Prince Stream maybe? Alright, he got Tasimov AK field tested. 5 poker cases left. One knife we need. And we got bait for Tiger Tooth Bayonet, man. 4 more left. $69. Come on, man. Alright, 2 more cases. Please, one good hit. Only one good hit. Man, this one in for $8. Alright, that's not profit, guys. I can try 1.5x here. I can't risk more. And close. Yes, man. Yellow AK. Like yellow mask. That's nice hit. Alright, I can try with case opening now. Let's try with knife case. And this one Safari mesh bullshit, man. Alright, 3 more. Wish me luck. One huge. We need one huge, man. One huge. Only bullshit. 5 of them. $39. And that's so bad. Let's try 5 more. Imagine 2 knives. Man. Not bad today, guys, on Keydrop. I won some good skins, so if you're looking for best promo code, just use my promo code Razor Affiliate. You need connect Steam account, click add funds in top right corner. In the promo code box, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply. For 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. Also, you can click on promotional code in top left corner and you can enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click collect. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you tomorrow in next video. Bye.